Yes, we are talking about digital marketing, and we talked about how digital marketing wins over conventional or traditional marketing, and how we can reach effectively and can analyze our marketing budget we are spending, right? Every penny we are spending on marketing campaigns that can be analyzed, where we are getting benefits and where we are not, which campaign we have to push more and which we have to stop, and how we can optimize these campaigns. And today we will discuss about how we will strategy. The main thing is how digital marketing strategy. Today's topic we will be discussing about, right? How to suppose any clients come to you, approaches you that I want to advertise, I want to go the way of digital or social media marketing, then how you are going to start, how you will be starting, how you will be making the strategy for that particular client, right? That even we have talked about on that topic as well. A little one we will today we will discuss in much detail. And the first thing is we have to know our client and its business basically. What is the business and what are the business objectives? A digital marketing is not a one size fits, not a one size fits. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप अमर उजाला या दैनिक जागरण में छपा दो जी, कुछ टीवी में ऐड दे दो, हो जाएगा आपको. Getting the point? Not one size fits all marketing solutions. It is important to look at your business goals and not limit your activities to only one marketing channel. In digital marketing, still we have multiple marketing channels. We have multiple marketing channels, right? And we are not cannot opt for a single solution, right? There is no a single solution fit for every business, right? We know about digital marketing channels, different channels and disciplines or methods. We can say these are the we can say channels or methods, digital marketing methods or channels, right? And like search engine marketing, that is one method. Search engine marketing, search engine optimization, that is another method, right? Search engine optimization is different, and search engine marketing is, of course, using the AdWords to launch different types of advertisements. Display advertising is one method, and that is again display advertising we can launch using Google AdWords. Social media marketing and online PR, social media marketing. Even inside social media marketing, we have different social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter, LinkedIn. The common platform used in India, I'm talking about. And the next method is email marketing and marketing automation. That is one method of of digital marketing or one discipline of digital marketing. Content marketing. Content marketing is marketing on the basis of using the content, right? Using the content, like blogging is one example of content marketing. So you can go for the content marketing initially, writing some blogs and establishing your intellectual authority in the industry domain so that people attracts you and recognizes you as a leaders in the solution providers, right? That is one method of digital marketing. And mobile marketing, of course, everyone is using smartphones, and companies are reaching consumers on their smartphones, on their different applications. We find advertisements and campaigns on applications. That is one method. Web design and user experience design, that is one another method. Digital and web analytics, that basically we use for analyzing our campaigns, web analytics, right? And conversion rate optimization, that is basically CRO, one of the important field. The conversion rate optimization means suppose you are getting traffic 1000 daily visitors on your website. Suppose you are getting 1000 daily visitors on your website, but conversions are only 25. That is only 25 are purchasing from 1000 visitors. Now, how you are going to optimize this conversion, right? You want to achieve 50 from 1000 visitors, the 50 conversion, 50 sales you can say, or 50 sales or conversions. That is, we call that conversion rate optimization. That is one stream or one method of digital marketing. Now you have this much of choice, you have this much of streams, of this much of methods we have in digital marketing. right? Even in social media, we have multiple social media marketing platforms, multiple social media marketing channels. At first, we have to decide, we have to make a strategy, we have to strategize which combination. I'm not saying that you will be going for a single one, but you can go for the three, four, not more than three, four, five channels, right? Because budget is a constraint in every corporation. We have some budgetary constraints, so we don't have unlimited budget for campaigns. So we have to decide, we have to make a strategy where our audience are, so that we should know our audience, on which platforms we will find our audience. That is one important part. Only then you can finalize which channels you are going to use. That is the important part of social media marketing or digital marketing strategy formulation, right? So we have multiple. I'm again and again repeating these different methods. And digital marketing is about knowing about each methods in detail, how you are going to. Even search engine optimization is a large field and requires intensive training on that. We will discuss in detail in later units about SEO and SEM on social media marketing as well, right? So we have to know where what are our objectives, what are the business objectives, objectives of the company, and where we will find our audience, and how we can reach, how we can target the audience, right? That we have to know before finalizing our marketing campaigns, right? Four-step strategy, digital marketing strategy framework, right? We have discussed a framework earlier as well. That is basically a four steps. First is defining, as I said, defining our audience, where we have a discussion on, we had a discussion on about defining our audience, right? How we can define our audience with the help of our current customers, and with the help of our prospective customers, by surveying prospective customers and by interviewing current customers, existing customers. The audience, we have to define our audience, we have to define our KPIs, micro and macro conversions, right? Key performance indices, KPIs, right? And micro movements, buying triggers. What are the movements, what are the triggers our customers basically use, that we have to define. So we have to define our customers, we have to define our objectives of the company, we have to define our KPIs, and we have to formulate our micro movements and buying triggers. The first step is, and the arrow is both side arrow, and we change it accordingly as required, right? As required, that is not one way connection. And then we have to implement. Then we have to implement. Implementation is, we may be going for search engine marketing. Okay, having connectivity problem, having some connectivity problem, please wait, right? I am audible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
thank you. Thank you. Yeah, and we were talking about combination, a mix of the any 2, 3, 4 methods that depends upon availability of our audience, where they will be available, our budget and business goal, how we are going to achieve, right? Next thing, analyzing. If we have launched the campaign, suppose we have launched the campaign on Instagram, then is it Instagram working? Google Analytics tells about which campaign. Suppose we have chosen the mix of a campaign on Instagram, a campaign on Google search engine marketing, a campaign on Facebook, and a campaign, a email marketing campaign. We are going for opting for these 4 methods of marketing for a particular client. Then we have to analyze with the help of Google Analytics or any third-party analytics tools. We can check, we can find out from where we are getting the traffic, right? From where we are getting the traffic, from where we are getting the highest number of visitors on our website, on our shopping site, from Instagram or from Facebook or from email marketing or from search engine marketing, right? That we can check. So multi-channel attributing modeling and audiences, from we are getting the audiences. So that we, suppose we are not getting any audience from Instagram, then we can stop that campaign. Why wasting money on this channel? And we can opt for a campaign on LinkedIn. Getting the point? So this way, this is the two-way arrow tells about implementing and analyzing again, right? Implementing and analyzing. For that, we have to know our audience, where the audience will be. Either the audience will be on YouTube or will be on a particular blog. If they are, our audience is more on reading blogs and all, less on videos, then we may be going for writing blogs on the text basis. That is the thing of marketing budget optimization, right? Analyzing and then optimizing. If we are getting visitors from Instagram, the optimization means we can make ads more attractive. We can launch video advertising on Instagram, right? And we can target, we can change the audience targeting. Audience targeting on every platform is like, as we have discussed, what geographical targeting, and we have gender based targeting, male, female, right? We have age based targeting, income based, hobby, interest. These are the optimization part. We target our audience, right? And adjust our marketing budget on different channels. Adjust our marketing budgets on different channels. So this is a 4-step digital marketing strategy framework. This is a 4-step, that is, we have to define, then we have to implement a combination, and then we have to analyze and then optimize. So that's for the today. Thank you very much.